Welcome to BMPRO, the leading experts in RV power and control management. We'd like to introduce one of our latest premium products, ProSmart. ProSmart has been created from years of experience in Bluetooth research. It can open new horizons in smart technology to a broad range of travellers. Whether you're in a camper, caravan, four-wheel drive, or even a boat, ProSmart provides adventurers with a wealth of information for comfortable and safe travel. ProSmart is a monitor with an app that connects to Bluetooth sensors. The cutting-edge system is very easy to install or retrofit to any vehicle. It can provide real-time monitoring on your 12-volt battery, water levels in your water tank, gas levels in your barbecue or propane bottles, tyre pressures, temperatures in your fridge, freezer or inside the vehicle, all via an easy-to-use app on your smartphone. BMPRO, a new level of innovation, powering your adventures.